Hi, my name's Kevin. I buy a lot of shit online. This is my first unboxing video. This one is from a company called Deux. I'm not sure if it's Deux as in the French word for number 2 or dough because it's like a cake company. I got a box cutter. I usually have a pink one, which is my mom's box cutter, but this is what we have. I don't have a table with me. Maybe I'll invest in one if this goes viral or something. Yes, Daddy. Let's unbox this, Daddy. Ooh. Right off the bat, we have this postcard type of thing. It says, damn, you have good taste. It says you can bake it or eat it raw. I think it's Deux as in two because it says eat in Deux ways, bake it or eat it raw. This is not a sponsored post. I bought this shit. Oh, and we got some stuff from HelloFresh as well. I like buying stuff from these companies because you get to try it at a discounted rate. Oh my gosh, our first item. How do people do that? Like, oh, yes. Yes, Daddy, we got this green matcha thingy. Yeah. Yes, Daddy. It's vegan. It's gluten-free. Oh, smell it, Daddy. I don't smell anything yet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, Daddy. Oh. I mean, I definitely sense the matcha. It's not as strong, but oh my gosh, I kind of want to taste that. I want to taste that. But first, we have to open up the two other things that I got. We got brownie batter. You like that? You like that, Daddy? Vegan, gluten-free, vitamin D and reishi. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna eat it. Let's do a smell test, Daddy. Yeah. It's so tight. I wonder if it smells any different. Oh yes, this smells different from the matcha. You know when you bake brownies, this is what it smells like. It's very faint, so you can't really smell it, but you smell it, it's there. We're gonna do our final one, which is cookies and cream. You see that, Daddy? Cookies and cream. Ooh. Again, this one is different. It says vegan, gluten-free, reishi, and ginseng. So every flavor has different stuff in it. I feel like I'm gonna enjoy all of this. I'm gonna try baking them, and I'm also gonna try them as it is. Oh, this one's already partially open. What's up, you guys? Ooh, wow. It's like smushed to the side so that it's like, oh yeah, it's Daddy. How come that smells so different? It smells like something that's clean. It's clean and cold. Oh my gosh. It tastes like charcoal. It does taste like Oreos, but like the crushed version of Oreos, but like melted and blended and smushed. Yes, I definitely taste that. Oh, my tongue's gonna be black. This is definitely not the first time I've had something black in my mouth. We've got 3 spoons because we're clean as fuck. We're gonna try this first. It smells cold and clean. I don't know what that means. The matcha flavor isn't as strong. I kind of taste coconut, and I see in the ingredients that there are coconuts in this thing. The matcha isn't as strong, but you could still taste it. I wonder what it's gonna taste like when I bake it, but so far it's pretty good. I taste the coconut and matcha. It's great. Yeah. For our second item, we're gonna try the brownie batter. Yeah. Look at that, so clean. And we're gonna ruin it, Daddy. Definitely tasting the almond. I'm bad at describing things. It's like eating melted brownie. And for our final item, we have the cookies and cream. Yes, daddy. Mmm. Mmm. Look at that. So beautiful. I've always wanted to do that. Like, ooh, yes. And we're gonna put this all over. Oh my gosh. Mmm. I love cookies and cream. I think this is the first one that I like added to my cart. It's so good. I think out of the three, this is my favorite because it's so flavorful. So we got 3 items. You know, I just like buying stuff because they're so colorful. I got like a blue one and a pink one and a green one. And that's how we lose money, yo. And that's it for now. My name is Kev. I buy shit online. I unbox it and post it for everyone to see. Let's go.